Hi everybody, I just wanted to come and bring you a very quick video tutorial on how to use this proportional scale. I've had a few people ask me exactly how to resize a pattern to fit a specific surface that they are using. So I am going to show you in this very quick video how to do just that. So stay tuned, we're going to get started right now. Hi everybody, I am going to do just a very quick tutorial on how to resize your patterns for if you want to paint something that is large. Even if it's small and you want to make it large, you can do this in reverse of how I'm going to show you to make your pattern size a different size. So this is my original size on this particular pattern, and it is a 9 by 12 canvas panel. So I took this pattern because I wanted it on something smaller, and I reduced it to fit this particular piece. So I reduced the pattern down to fit on this surface, which is quite a bit smaller than the surface, the 9 by 12 canvas that I had. So I'm going to show you how to make it even smaller to fit this surface. Now, the things that you will need when you are resizing is a ruler or a tape measure to get the width or height that you need, and a proportional scale. This is a 6-inch proportional scale that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. I've had this for years, so I don't know if that's the price that they are now or not, but you can buy them at Hobby Lobby or Michael's or probably even at Walmart. The drafting area at Hobby Lobby and Michael's is where you will find this particular scale. So I want to take this and make it fit onto this one. Okay, so two ways that you can measure, and it's got a glare because I've got a finish on it, that you can measure your pattern is to measure it up and down like this. Get how long it is. It's 9 inches long, and you can measure it on the width. This is almost 7 inches. So to determine how small or large you need to make it, you want to take the surface that you want to put it on. I want to put it on this surface here, and I want it to kind of fill the center of this heart. So I want it to be about 6 inches wide. So I'm not going to worry too much about all the leaves and stuff down here at the bottom. That stuff I can just cut off. You know, I don't need that. The focal point is the flowers, and I could make this one fit on here if I wanted to. But it would be a little bit tricky. So I want to reduce it a little bit. So it's about 7 inches that way, and I want to make it about 6 inches. So I'm going to take my proportional scale, and let me zoom in on this so you can see how I'm doing it. Now this circle on the inside, this is your original size of your design. So this is approximately 7 inches. So I'm going to take, see right here, it says size of original. I'm going to take the 7, which is the size of my original, and I'm going to go find 6 inches because that's what size that I want it to be. So that shows me that I need to reduce or set the new size on my printer at 85%. All printers come with a option to size, do a custom size on your printer. So all you have to do is go to that custom size. We don't want it to be 100% anymore. We want to take it to 85%. So you would simply change the custom size setting on your printer to the 85%. And then it prints out the size that you need. And this is going to fit in here just nice. I'm not worrying about what leaves I'm going to be losing. I basically wanted my flowers to be right in the middle of this heart. So that is going to work out perfect for me. So if I wanted it bigger, let's say I have a 20-inch canvas, and this is 9 inches, and on a 20-inch canvas you would probably want it to be about 4 inches smaller than what the canvas is. So on a 20-inch canvas you'd want it to be about 16. So let's say we want our pattern to be 16 inches tall. So we would have to increase the size to, it looks like about 178% there. So, see, we're enlarging, so we're going above 100%. Okay, almost to 180. Okay, so that's how you get your measurements for reducing or enlarging your print. So whatever your original size is, you take that and turn it to whatever size you want your piece to be now. So let's say I want my 7 inches to be 5 inches, then I would reduce it to 72%. So the printer is automatically set at 100%. So you would change that to 72%. If you're going bigger, you change the 100% to 180, 160, 170, whatever it comes out to be based on the size that you want your piece to be. Now, if you are going really large on a piece, I would measure it both directions and do the proportional scale for both directions to make sure that it's going to fit on the piece that you want. So let's say the width was 7 inches and we want it to fit a 16 by 20 inch canvas. So we already did that one. So 20 inches would be 16, so 10 inches. So it would be 100. So you would need to see if that 10 inches across this way that you're going to enlarge it to is going to fit the area that you want. So check both sizes. Okay, so I don't know how better to explain that, but normally I just do one direction or the other. I don't usually do both directions. I know I wanted it to fit a wider area, not a taller area, so I just did across. And on this one, I needed it to fit still a tall one, but I needed it to be shorter. So I did the up and down measurements for this one. So I hope that was not confusing for you guys, but the proportional scale is extremely easy to use. It's very handy to have when you're reducing or enlarging. Let's say you've got a pattern that you just love, but it's not made for an ornament, and you want it to fit an ornament. You need one of these to get it proportioned down the right size to fit the ornament. So give one of these a try. I think you're really going to enjoy using them. All right, thanks so much, everybody. I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.